France. You know the term of bordell. You know that. It's the bordell. You see? I came from Jar to Bujiba. I take 2 hours. Many buses were cancelled. This morning, I go to Mosta, at the post office of Mosta, to top up my card. Oh no, it's not possible. It's not possible. So you have to go to Valletta. And I do the queue with the sun and the...
Din it-topjaw li huma. Issa il-biraħ irkebt u ħallast. Issa tal-għodu għalli santik dir karta, tan dir karta driver, għalli issa mur gabbana, għalli ju jirranġaw ilek huma.
Don't really understand what's happening here because we read about the Malta before we came here and we didn't realize there will be some change. But I think, in my opinion, I think it should be done not in the season when most of the tourists are here. It should be done in the winter or something like that. I saw also there are some booths there. They are not working. I don't understand really why they didn't prepare the system before they implemented this new system. Yeah?
As I always, when you launch a new service, we'll have some small problems, but I don't know, the general comment that people are happy if you can go.
Dina neġanejti li ma konċ happy, hija ċara u tonda, u l-pubbliku għandu raġuni fieri. Wieħed irid jifhem ukoll li hija tibdila fil-kultura di tal-karti, dik se tkun jibsa, u mal-ewwel tkellim li se tkun jibsa jien.